Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify deploy a no-code app using Vercel integrations. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To verify and deploy a no-code app using Vercel integrations, start by logging into your Vercel account. Navigate to the dashboard to create a new project. Click on the New Project button. Choose your no-code app platform from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your no-code app to Vercel. Once connected, configure your project settings. Set the build command and output directory as required by your no-code platform. Next, define your environment variables, if necessary. Click on the Deploy button to launch your app. Wait for the deployment process to complete. Review the deployment logs for any error messages or issues. Once the deployment is successful, visit the preview URL provided by Vercel. Test the functionality of your app to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the deployment logs for troubleshooting. For any additional configurations, revisit the project settings to make adjustments. After everything looks good, finalize your settings for a production deployment. Your no-code app is now live and accessible to users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.